Welcome to Kiddy Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a unicorn. First, draw the horn and decorate it with some lines. Then draw the band. Draw the ears one on each side. Draw two curved lines connecting the horn and the ears. Draw the unicorn face. Then add eyes at the top. Draw a curved line dividing the face near the middle, a nose and the mouth at the bottom. On the left side of the face, draw more hair. Under the hair, draw one of the front legs. Draw a straight line intersecting the leg. You can use a ruler to draw this line. Draw the other front leg waving on the other side. Congratulations! Now you can draw a unicorn. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring.